Hey guys, it's Dell here with South Central Nebraska Customs, and today I wanted to share a super cool video of the car that we just brought back to the shop. It's a 1934 Pontiac 8-cylinder coupe. It's been in the barn since 1962. Just bought it 20 miles away from here in Deschler, and we got it home about 2 nights ago. I've been cleaning the car out and working on getting it sterile because it's been full of mice for the last 50 years. But it is an absolutely beautiful car. All of this was full of mouse nests, back, front, all of the top. I just got the top all taken off, and I'm gonna get some of the new wood slats put on, and we'll put the new vinyl top on. Got the back window out today, which was a chore. Also got the front window out today, which was a super big headache and a lot of glass and just a nightmare. But got it, and now I'm ready to keep going on building. It's been in the barn the last 60 years. As always, guys, thank you for watching the channel. Please like and subscribe.